Okay, so this is a demonstration of the Android garage door opener that I built. So let me just show you the phone here. Okay, programs, video. Okay, it connects to the garage door server that I wrote, and the server is there now, connected to the phone, and it is waiting for a command. So let's see, put in the right command. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, and that number is actually settable by the user at the server there, so I can change that later on. So 1, 2, 1, 3, and it's going to step in here. There is the store, and I'm going to hit send, and it takes about 2 seconds, so send now. There you go. So that sends the code to the server. Server checks the code. Once it verifies this code right here, so it verifies this code, and then actually has another code on the server that it sends to the Netduino, and Netduino verifies that code. So it's sort of a two-part authentication process. Once everything's verified, it sends a signal to the garage door opener. Basically supplies it with power. Supplies it with 3.3 volts of power from one of the pins on the Netduino, and that actually, once it gets powered, opens the garage door, because I've bridged the switch, so there's no longer have to push a button. So all it needs is power, and it opens the garage door. And next thing I do now is I'm actually going to integrate that code with my home's artificial intelligence code program that I've been working on, so everything will be all integrated into one nice neat package. And I'll show you that, show you guys that once I'm done. And that's about it. Thanks.